So much for making it beautifully flawed, and of course it's your girl RB back with another video for you. Yes, so this look is all about colors, rainbows and unicorns. Now I don't slay dragons, we slay beauty, and I know you want to see how I got this look, but before you can do so, you can go straight in. You got to stop if you've not yet done so. Please like, share, comment, hit that subscription button below so you can be notified of everything that I do and all that I do moving forward. No, thank you so much, guys, for keeping me company, and until we meet again, straight on in.
Hey family, so for this rainbow look I will be using mostly the Crayon palette. However, I will also be taking other colors from other palettes because some of the colors that are in the palettes are actually shimmers and not mattes. So of course, jumping straight on in, there is red, and I'll use pink from the palette to basically blend out the edges of that red. And of course, following the rainbow, I'll be going in I should think I'm following the exact shades of the rainbow. So it's pink, red, orange, green, or yellow, sorry, but you guys will see what I'm doing. Alright, so the color that I'm using, it's actually a lime green, a really beautiful color. It's the lime green, from the palette. And then I'll be going perfecting the edges. And for this look, guys, you don't have to necessarily use the exact pattern as it relates to the rainbow. You can use the same colors, but you can swirl it a bit, you can make it a bit wavy, you can give it the candy pattern, however you want to do it. You can be as creative as you can envision. All right, so I'm going now into that darker green rather, and I'm just applying it to the very outer edge of that lime green shade. All right, so the green I should say is not from the Crayon case. It was from, I think it was either from one of my Morphe palettes or one of the Juvia's, but I know for sure the blue is definitely from one of the Juvia's palette that I have. I should think it to be the Zulu palette, but all palettes used will be listed below. All right, back using a darker blue now. This I know for sure was from the Morphe, the James Charles palette. As I said, guys, I will be listing all shades that I used. Not all shades, sorry. All palettes that I used. So this will not require me to, I'm using a bigger brush because I have a bigger space. I will also say, guys, for this particular look, it would be easier to have several brushes, but if you don't, because I've had to reorder, I realize that even though I'm using these brushes, I need to now retire them. So thanks, hubby. My husband actually surprised me Valentine's gift and ordered me some brushes. All right. So as I said, if you don't have all the brushes, make sure you have maybe, what would you say? Makeup wipes, and you can just clean as you go along to be able to apply your different shades. All right. So I decided to cut my crease in this particular manner because of the look that I was going for. So it's sort of like a slant crease, but you guys should see what you guys should get. So what I'd use, basically use the Vaseline method, outlined my crease the way I wanted it to be cut, and then I clean it up with some remover, and yeah. Okay, so to apply my shimmer, my silver shimmer, I'm basically using the NYX glitter primer, and I'm using my fingers, just lightly patting it down because I don't want to disturb. And I used a white, I should say, from the James Charles palette to set my lid, or rather to set the base that I'd use to clean and to also cut. Alright, so patting on that glitter, and it's really fine pressed, and it's a really nice glitter. Very, very, very affordable product, and it's from the brand AOA, and I think it's for $1 or so. Not on camera, guys, but what I basically did was I went back in with the same P.Louise and I carved out for myself my liner. Alright, so I carved out the shape of a liner, and then I'm going on in with my neon yellow loose pigment, and I'm just gently patting it in. And doing this will make sure that the base or your concealer beneath is not disturbed, and this way you'll not get yourself a mucky outlook or a mucky end product. And to tie this look together, guys, I'm using my Revlon's Colorstay Skinny Liner in the shade Electric Blue. And this really, really was the finishing, was the cherry rather on top to tie this look together. And I really, really liked how it turned out. I'm sure in future, continuing to do it, I know that it will get better. Alright, so guys,